Okay, guys, let me undo this camera. Alright. Alright, guys, cardio with you guys again. Alright, so guys, this amplifier after we are left off, guys. Yeah, after we are left off, after I replace this R18 resistor right here, this is a 10 ohm resistor, guys. But on it it's printed 100, so that means it's a 10 ohms. I don't already explained to you guys how it goes when you see those. So guys, I replaced that, and this right here, this it's a regulator. This is a switching regulator right here. It has 3 pin on one side and 2 pin on one side. These 2 pin on one side, they are locked together, so you know they're not spaced out there. They're tied together. But these on this side, they're not. These are some switching transistor, guys. Switching voltage regulator, guys. All right. So guys, after this one was blown up, I told you I didn't remember the number. I did have a bunch of them and I couldn't find them, but I did find them after. So the part number on this, guys, is the SHIB. SHIB is the number. Normally would be on these. Just scratch off it, guys. With 2 pin on one side and 3 on the other side, guys. And the other number for it, guys, I'm gonna show you a sheet with it right now, is LMR 62014XMFE. Alright, guys. So this sheet right here, guys, you could look at it. This can help you guys with a lot of other amplifiers, like the SFB 8K from Sundown. Yeah, same kind of circuit. So this is IC13, guys, and IC13 is a C2. A lot of people don't know, guys. That IC, guys, it's a switching IC2, regulator IC. It's a IR4427, just like they use in the tower amp. It's states the same way, guys, S. And this number coming them mostly in the sound digital 2N7524. But this one is a way smaller one, but it's the same thing like this one, same thing like this. So C2 is these 3 number right here. The same C2, guys. When you see you understand, guys? C2 printed on it. In this circuit here, it says IC13 to locate it right here. All right. So moving on now, guys. And these now IC10, 15, and IC16. They have one here, which is a 10, 15, and 16 here, guys. They have some inductor coil here, guys. And after I replace this one, guys, I switch the amplifier on. And guess what, guys? The amplifier is in clip mode. So I was going around and I was going around and I was like, all right, what if this connect to this one, guys? And to test it, guys, let me show you what happened when you do that. So after one of the pin here to the other one over this one, this thing reads straight, guys. This thing they read to each other, guys. All of them read together. So what I did, I replaced all 3 of them. I take this one on the circuit and put a fresh one there, this one here, and this one here, you know, guys, which is IC10, IC15, IC16, which is the SHIB you would see on most of them, which are in a circuit that they don't scratch them off. But this is a number 5, guys, here too. You could look for it if you want to buy it. Alright. And I changed 12 power supply capacitor, guys. You guys see when I replace those. And the R18 resistor, which is a 10 ohm resistor, guys. Yeah. So that's what I did for this circuit, guys. That's all I replaced in this circuit, guys. So if you guys can take a look and take note, or you can take a screenshot and stuff like that, yeah, do it. Or you can still go back to the video if anything, guys. So let me give this a little test, guys. I already give it a test, but I just want you guys to see what's going on, you know. Say, you know, this is no fake video. I don't make video like that, guys. So this is just like how I repair stuff, guys. I don't edit nothing, guys. So let me see if I can find where that. And this amplifier, guys, you have this for the output and this for the input. That's it. I don't know. I hate when they do that though. You just leave one terminal dangling somewhere around the corner. I could have plugged this in, but nah, you never know. Alright guys, so there's my phone here. Phone sometimes switch off by itself, guys. Switch off by itself. Alright guys, so I want you guys to see if it's the light, and the light comes on here guys. Alright, so let's go ahead here. Turn everything down here. Turn everything down. Alright guys. Let's move on guys. Let's switch it on. You guys can see it. Comes on. I don't know if you guys, yeah. You guys can see it right there. Alright. It plays something. Oh, it's turned on. I don't like to do this kind of work. Alright. Alright guys, you can see it's on. Uh-oh. You guys can see that thing. Little blue light there. They use it. What they call this one? I don't remember what they call it. Cloudy or milky. Milky. They use the milky LED. LED milky. Yes guys, it kinda give you a little milky look for you. So yes guys, it's up and running. Hold on, let me check something guys. I always do this guys when I finish with one of these amplifier guys. These are some dangerous stuff right here. These are pack a lot of voltage. So let me see if this speaker. Holy crap, look at that guys, you see that? Ha! That's a lot of volts guys. That was like 100 volts right there or more. So yeah, make sure you discharge that guys before you start to flip this over and remove speaker wires and all that stuff. Discharge it because you're gonna put it in the frame, you know, in the frame right now, the chassis or the case, as I said sometimes. That's some people like the case. I said yeah, that's what I said, the case. It's the casing for the amplifier. Yeah. Look at that guys. So mistake like that, and does that happen if you didn't discharge it? Something could have happened. So yes guys, as you can see, amplifier is up and running, and this is a Ds18 guys. That's used the same. Funny. And these D1 guys, as I told you guys, is the IRFP. The IRFP 4227. These here, and they're really cool. Man, thought they would be run. Yep. Perfect guys. Up and running guys, as you guys can see. So yes guys, anyway about the C2 guys, where's the C2 here? It's the same as the IR. It's the same as the IR 4427 guys. So don't worry yourself guys, like, you know, don't worry. Same as in the sound down 8K guys. Yep. So that's it I have for you guys with this bench test right now guys. So like, please like, subscribe if you like what I see guys, you know. And you know, a lot more to come guys, a lot more. So as I told you, it's night now and I'm doing this, and I have 3 more amplifiers to do. I don't know if I'm gonna do them tonight guys, but I said I have to make this for you because sometimes guys, a lot of video I don't post it because I don't have the bench test of it guys, because before I do a bench test sometimes the customer pick it up and I just said, you know, I don't want to put the video up, it doesn't look good to put that, you know. So but yeah, But if you guys want me still to put a video like that, let me know. If if you don't mind me doing that, let me know, you guys. Yeah. So definitely, guys. So please like, subscribe, guys, if you like what you see, and Carti and Cardi guys out for now. Enough respect. All right.